The Volvo S90 is a luxury sedan that was first introduced in 2016 as a replacement for the Volvo S80. The S90 is a significant departure from its predecessor with a new design language, advanced safety features, and a focus on luxury and comfort. The S90's exterior design is characterized by its sleek and elegant lines, with a prominent grille, LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. The car's body is made from a combination of steel and aluminum, which provides a strong and lightweight structure. Inside, the S90 features a luxurious and minimalist interior, with a focus on comfort and technology. The car's cabin is adorned with premium materials, including leather, wood, and metal, and features a range of advanced safety features, including a 9-inch touchscreen display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a range of driver assistance systems. The S90 is powered by a range of engines, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged inline four-cylinder engine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder engine, and a 2.0-liter diesel inline four-cylinder engine. The car's engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and feature a range of drive modes, including Comfort, Dynamic, and Eco. One of the S90's most notable features is its advanced safety technology. The car features a range of safety systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The S90 also features a range of semi-autonomous driving systems, including Pilot Assist, which allows the car to steer and accelerate on its own in certain conditions. The S90 has received widespread critical acclaim for its luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and smooth ride. The car has also received a range of awards and accolades, including the 2017 European Car of the Year award. In 2019, Volvo updated the S90 with a range of new features, including a new infotainment system, a range of new safety features, and an updated exterior design. The updated S90 also features a range of new engines, including a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged inline four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. Overall, the Volvo S90 is a luxurious and advanced sedan that offers a range of features and technologies that make it a standout in its class. Its comfortable ride, advanced safety features, and luxurious interior make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a premium sedan.